So you guys thought I was kidding. I'm not. Ooh, that sucks really bad. Ooh, that sucks really bad. Ooh. Oh, shit. Oh, we got a little bit of a fire. See, you guys thought I was kidding. I ain't kidding. When I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna look like an idiot doing it too. Oh God! Oh, it's so cold! It's like I just got so numb that it feels good. Squid life, bro. Squid life. Winter don't stop squid life. Hey, little puppies! Oh, my nips. All right, so the goal is to go into town and just make a loop around. It is 26 degrees out. That guy's looking at me like, the fuck? Oh, Jesus. Oh, these tires feel squirrely when it's this cold, dude. I'm waiting for a cop to stop me and be like, how high are you, sir? How many joints did you smoke today? Oh, God. Alright. Holy crap, my underarms are frozen. Jesus. Oh, look at this dude behind me in the keys hole. Oh God, I can't see shit out my visor. I can't feel my legs either. My legs just, I can't feel them. Oh, this hurts. What's up? Oh, dude, my visor is, I can't see crap. Holy crap. Took me forever to push start this thing. See, I don't want to hear no excuses, guys. Oh, it's too cold out to ride, man. Freaking Zabra 187. It's got to be 20 degrees hotter before I think about riding. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Are you kidding? No, I'm just kidding, Zach. You're cool. I'm just dicking with you. Dude, this really does suck. I'm not going to lie. This really does suck. All right, we gotta go through the downtown strip. Oh! It hurts so good! God, I can't see anything, dude. All I see is like leftover splattered bug guts and condensation. I said online, if I got 10 likes, I would do this. I got like 20, man, in like 5 minutes. No fucks given, man. No fucks given. Look at these guys in their beanies and their cars and shit. Come on, man. What's up, cop? Oh, he didn't even look at me. He was like, dude, I don't feel like busting a meth head today. So yeah, guys, winter sucks. It really does. Especially when you wear a muscle t-shirt and basketball shorts. You know, squids just aren't out when it's hot, man. Squids are everywhere. Squids are life. I may have severe nerve damage and hypothermia after this, but it'll be worth it. You know what's more amazing? Not the fact that I can vlog around in this, but the fact that I actually was persistent enough to sit here and try to start this thing for a good solid 30 minutes. I mean, I think I almost killed the battery trying to start it, and then I just had to push start it, I kid you not, like 15 times. 15 times! From the top of a hill. You want to talk about a leg workout? You try backing this thing up a steady gradient 15 times. Look at this guy. Come on, noob. Get on my level, bro. You want a pedal bike wearing an Eskimo jacket. Come on, son. Look at this dude. He doesn't know what the hell's going on. My fiance was like, oh my God, it's so dangerous. Now, it could be dangerous as the tires are extremely cold and have like zero grip. Ugh. Oh God, I can't feel my hands. I can't feel my hands! Oh crap! Alright, now we gotta make a pass by through Winthrop so the college kids can see how not cool I am. Look at this old lady, dude. Just stand up in the wind. Oh yes! Oh God! Oh, this sucks so bad! Oh, I can't feel my arms. Holy crap. But we gotta go by Winthrop. We gotta go by Winthrop. Oh, jeez. Oh, God, I can't feel my hands. Ah! 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 Frosty the Snowman! Oh, you freezing with your gloves? Come on, you kidding me? Oh, God, there's a cop. He's gonna be like, son, how high are you? Don't turn around, bro. Don't turn around. Oh, jeez, don't turn around. Oh, okay, he's not. Oh, I feel like the abominable snow fuck right now. All right, that's enough. I do not feel like catching a cold. All right, that's enough. We gotta go back. Oh, you're kidding me, right? Be like Bear Grylls. Come on, be like Bear Grylls. You gotta move around to generate heat. And it's not working. It's so cold. My arms and my skin are like turning bright ass red. I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Pecker here. See? Getting punched in the nuts and male fertility pills, you know, anti-fertility pills, that shit's too expensive. You just need to ride like this, and guaranteed your balls will never work again. That old lady's looking at me like fucking youngins. The fuck is wrong with these kids today? Oh, alright guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me freeze to death. This ride's got me feeling like... And I froze my nuts up! Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a subscribe. Please, I need your subscribes. I need all of them. I need all your likes. If this video gets 500,000 likes, I will put my ball sack in a blender. And if it gets 600,000, I will add a banana and some sugar. Not really. I like my balls too much. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace! Oh, dude, my hands are so numb, I can't even get the GoPro off. Look at this. Ah. You know, that actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was. But then again, I'm probably so numb, I can't feel the pain. Time for a hot shower.